Good evening, everyone. So, welcome to the late night show with Rahul and Hia.
So today we are over here in our houses. We cannot do it in the studio because these COVID situations. So I would like Rahul to introduce you to the panel.
We have a wonderful panel today. We have Rohit Kumar with us, who's a world class photographer. We have Sana Thakur, who is a yoga instructor. We have Anshul Pandey, who is a cricketer. We have Meeru Nath Tiwari, who is an ethical hacker. We have Bhavya, who owns a company. And we have Akshay Dhaka at last, who is a gamer.
I don't think they need to be introduced as they boasted themselves enough on the social media platforms. But Bhavya Bedi will join us later in this film because he couldn't be able to make it on time.
Okay, so let's start with Rohit. Over to you here.
So Rohit, would you like to introduce yourself first?
Yeah, sure. So this is Rohit. I'm a professional photographer, and I have a company based in New York where I have a team of photographers from across the globe who work for these celebrities from overseas as well. Who do we basically do picture shoots for the Instagram handles or all other social media handles. Also, we have been doing portfolio shoots, magazine shoots for Forbes as well. Then we also work for events like these destination weddings and stuff. Also,
That,
talking about
that's great. That's great, Rohit. That's
yeah,
really great.
okay.
Rahul, you don't need to interrupt him. He won't shoot for your Instagram profile.
Okay,
I would, Rahul, don't worry.
thanks.
Okay.
You can
So
continue, Rohit.
Rohit, do you follow politics?
Oh no, not really into it.
I don't think that's the correct answer because the way you're getting awards, I think you are.
I think no, I would like to correct you there. That's totally based on my credits. So naming some of the awards that I have received, they are like Top Global Photographer Award for 2019, Sony Photographer of the Year 2020. I have also been working with DCOP, Delhi College of Photography, and I've been the faculty, not the faculty, the visiting faculty there since last 3 years.
So that's a wonderful portfolio, Rohit, and I think you know every photographer in the world would like retweets upon how corrupted you are. So let's just move on to the next person over here. So we have Sana
So,
Thakur, who is a yoga instructor, and I don't know why she's there.
I guess we
Go
are
ahead.
sponsored by Patanjali.
Of course we are.
Hello everyone, I'm a professional yoga instructor and I have clients from all over the world. And nowadays, I'm taking online classes due to COVID 19, as we all know. And you know what? One of the great things about yoga is that it's adaptable to different population with diverse physical abilities and needs. Attending yoga class regularly also establishes a sense of community and friendship with our teachers, fellow mates, students, etc. And yoga helps us keep control of our bodies, our mind, and it helps in channeling and releasing stress, anxiety. And I'm very happy that yoga is gaining popularity these days. And for this, I have received Padma Shri Award from our president.
Who's our president, Sana?
It's Ramnath Kovind.
The fact that you have to pause before that explains everything. So let's move on to the next one.
So next
So
we
we
have
have
Anshul Pandey, who is a cricketer. Over to you, Anshul.
Hello everyone, myself Anshul Pandey. I am a professional cricketer. I play for India, and I have more than 10,000 runs in my international career and more than 70 centuries in all the three formats. And I have been awarded many awards last year, and my fan following has grown drastically last year because of my
yeah,
performance.
like the
And I
5
am
million
looking for.
like fake followers you have on Instagram.
I'm not like you here.
That's a different scam here. Let's
Yes.
stick to our conversation for today.
Of course,
Anshul,
Any
so
questions?
you sleep with your kit bag along with you? You cuddle with it?
No, I don't cuddle with it. I was just cleaning as it is the weekend, and
So we have
that's the
heard that
problem of online.
you have a name in the Hall of Fame of cricket. So what do you want to speak about that?
Uh, I'm honored to get something like that, my name in something like that, where all the big cricketers of all times like Sir Don Bradman and Sachin Tendulkar, Brian Lara have their names. So I'm honored, and I can't express the feeling in words.
Yeah,
So
that's
whom do
great.
you
After
treat as
seeing
your
the
idol?
last tour, we weren't expecting that to happen. So Rahul,
Every
over to you.
player has his ups and
Yeah.
downs.
So whom do you treat as your idol, Anshul?
My idol is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. When I was a kid, I started watching him, and I love his presence on the field and how he manages the team and everything, and how cool he is. So
Okay,
That's great.
that's
thank
really
you.
great.
So the next person on the panel is Meru Tiwari, who's apparently an ethical hacker.
तो जैसा कि राहुल ने बताया, आपको राहुल जी ने बताया कि मेरा नाम मेरू है और मैं बेस्ट तो नहीं हूँ, मैं अपने हिसाब से नहीं कह सकता क्योंकि और भी लोग बाग हैं यहाँ पे जो एथिकल हैकिंग जानते हैं और मुझसे भी अच्छी जानते होंगे। मेरे पास मौका था तो मैंने कर दिया और जो करना था, जो कंट्रीब्यूट करना था वो सब कर दिया। तो आप लोग मेरा इंस्टाग्राम जाके
I
चेक
guess
कर सकते
that's
हो
the
वैसे,
only
मैं आपको
platform where
दे
you are
दूंगा यहाँ से।
famous.
हाँ, आप ये भी कह सकते हैं, सही कह सकते हैं, ये भी हो सकता है। तो मैंने 2 बुक भी लिखी हुई हैं, जिनका नाम है वायरलेस पेनिट्रेशन टेस्टिंग यूजिंग बैकट्रैक्स और मेटास्प्लॉइट मेगावर्क करके है। 2011 पे मैंने रिलीज करवाई थी इसको मिट्स पे और मैंने अपना बीटेक आईआईटी गुवाहाटी से किया है।
So that's great, Meru. And I don't think you would require a further introduction looking at the amount of work you have done. So I guess we'll take a small break after this.
Yes.
रेखा
सुषमा
कब की
पसंद
निरमा वॉशिंग पाउडर निरमा
वॉशिंग पाउडर निर्मा दूध सी सफेदी निर्मा से आए रंगीन कपड़ा भी खिल खिल जाए सबकी पसंद निर्मा वॉशिंग पाउडर निर्मा निर्मा।
So welcome back to our show. I hope you were eagerly waiting. So next we have our daddy's boy, Bhavya Bedi, who is the CEO of a graphic designing company no one knows the name of.
Yeah, hi, I'm Bhavya. I'm the CEO and owner of a graphic designing company named Bullseye. It's based in India itself. I manage and work with a huge team of employees in designing several logos, posters, and websites for several companies. We can work on contractual basis too. You might have seen a lot of our work on projects online, such as many of WHO campaigns that they've held in India.
I don't think I
And
have.
coming to that daddy stuff, yeah, so I don't think I am a daddy's boy actually. Everybody's fathers pays for their education in college. I think your dad did too. So if
But my
that's
dad
the
didn't
case,
give me
I'd
the
consider
show, I
both of you
guess.
daddy.
So moving on, Bhavya, I think that you have won a lot of awards. Can you tell us a little about them and how corrupted they are?
Well, there are many of those, but I won't consider them corrupted again.
Of course,
That's
you
just a
win.
debate for another day.
So Rahul, would you like to ask him something?
So Bhavya, as your company has won a lot of awards, could you name any of them?
It would be creativity for our own designs. It was given by WHO on their campaign, and there are a few others. We've designed several logos for Google too. I actually met Google's owner, Bill Gates, this year.
So that's really great, Bhavya, knowing you and first time hearing the name of your company. So thank you.
Thank you, Bhavya.
You're welcome.
Last but not the least, we have Akshat Dhaka as our guest. Over to you, Akshat.
Hey guys, my name is Akshat Dhaka and I'm a professional gamer. And I play lots of games these days. I have a YouTube channel which have more than 10 million subscribers. I stream daily, but at a fixed time. And mostly I have about 7 million viewers at that time. So, yeah, that's what I do.
That's great, Akshat.
Don't you think,
So
Akshat,
Rahul, do you want
a
to ask
lot
a
of
question?
children are yes, yes, yes. Don't you think, Akshat, children are getting motivated to play lots of games and not studying, which is rather more important to them at present time?
Yeah, you are actually right. But as I told earlier, that I play at a fixed time, so that does give a good message that you should study at the time of study and play while you are free.
That's great, Akshat. But after seeing your Twitter timeline, I cannot say the same.
You can't guess
So,
anyone's life like that.
Yeah, after tweeting after every 2 hours. So let's just move on to the next round, which could be a rapid questions round. So first, I would like a feedback from every member. How was the show to you?
It was really great.
So I would like to say it was great, but yeah, you roast a lot,
I
so I
Yeah,
know,
can't say
I
that.
love
it was
doing it.
really a good job.
मुझे लगता
I
है
So
ये
love
शो
Rohit,
सिर्फ
everyone.
सिर्फ इज्जतदार लोगों को बेइज्जत करने के लिए बनाया गया है। हम जैसे लोगों को बुलाते हैं, प्यार से इनवाइट करते हैं, और यहाँ पे हिया जी देख रहे हैं आप सबका बेइज्जती कैसे मारे हैं, वैसे ही हमारा मारे हैं। तो ऐसा अच्छा नहीं होता है कि लोगों को बड़े बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म में बुला के उनकी बेइज्जती करना, वो सही नहीं होता है।
हम आपकी टिप्पणियों को
बाद
आगे
में
लेकर
मद्देनजर
No,
जाएंगे
रखते
no,
हुए
अपने
टिप्पणियां
yeah,
होता
प्रोड्यूसर्स
है,
के
don't
पास।
try that. You
टिप्पणियां
are
होता है
not
वो,
good at
टिप्पणियां
Hindi.
होता है वो।
Yeah, don't try that.
So
You are not
all
good at
these
Hindi.
backfired at
After
Hiya
we get a
ji.
I
stronger
loved being
budget,
on the
I
show.
think we would be allowed to do that.
Yeah.
We need more sponsors for that
एक
except
चीज और
Patanjali.
बोलना चाहता हूँ, जो आपने कॉफी भिजवाई थी वो ज्यादा बेटर है।
हाँ जी,
Coffee.
Oh,
जो कॉफी भिजवाए हैं ना आप, वो ज्यादा बेटर है।
I'm sorry, Miru. That's only for guests.
so Sana, we have heard that you are a motivational speaker. So what is your take on that?
Yes, I am a motivational speaker, and I always speak about like how yoga inspires us and how it is good for everybody. So yeah, mostly I talk about this only. Like yoga is very good thing to do for all age groups.
So that's really, really nice. And I've heard that Rohit, you have like shooted for many celebrity marriages in the past year.
Yeah.
So how was the experience?
It was really great. First of all, like meeting such celebrities was a very big, not
Of course.
not a very big deal, but working with them was very explicit experience. Like getting to know how they are in real life and how we see them on televisions. That is such a good experience.
Sadly, I would like to
Akshat, I
mention
have
the
a
fact that
question for you.
Bhavya could not join us for this because he has a meeting in Japan right now and he would have boarded his flight. So I have one question for Meru. Meru, you have worked for a hacker fest by Google and you have like won many prizes in it. So how do you reflect it in your career's full work and what's your take on it?
Miru, are you there? Connected with us?
I think we are not the only ones with a low budget over here. So let us move to
I guess
Akshat
you are
Dhaka.
right.
Do you
I
want to
have a
speak more
question
about
for you.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Akshat, so when did this thought came to your mind that you should do live streaming and you should play games?
I actually like playing games a lot when I was a little child. I had computer when I was in third class, and I play mini games like Road Rash at that time. So I was fond of that, and after some time, I like playing, and I like become a good player. So I started to think that I should take it to another level and show other people's my skill, and they love a lot, and then it gradually increased and increased. Now you can
So,
see
in which
my
categories
fame.
do you place yourself? A YouTuber or a professional gamer or an influencer?
No, not an influencer. I guess I am a good player that I would say, but nothing more than that.
Okay, that's
Talking
really
about
very humble.
influencing, we have Anshul as a cricketer over here who has like
Yeah,
influenced many kids in
with a
playing
lot of
cricket.
fan following, as he calls it,
A lot of fake fan following. I would like to mention it again.
as he
नहीं नहीं
calls
हम
it.
भी फैन हैं अंशुल जी के तो हम भी फैन
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
you
Anshul,
can see how many fake
can you talk
followers
a little
I
about
have.
your coaching industry?
I don't coach like I don't have an academy, but I like teaching little kids. Whenever I go somewhere where I find kids playing, I like to give them some tips like how to bat and how to field, and they like it. And I want to break the mentality of people that in sports children would get spoiled and all. This is a very good industry, and kids should move uh, towards sports.
So, being a
Anshul, we heard
sportsman,
a
are
rumor.
you like following Sana Thakur's dietitian plans?
Uh, I have my own dietitian, but I would love that Sana would give me a diet chart, and I would like to follow it.
Yeah,
Over to
But
Rahul.
definitely.
it should have a
Yeah,
cheat day.
Anshul,
It should have
Anshul,
a cheat day.
Anshul,
Okay.
Yeah.
we heard a rumor that there is a movie, upcoming movie on your life. So, what is? Please throw light on it.
You can ask Bollywood about that. I don't know anything about that.
So, there's a movie about your life
That's
and you
really
have no
very
idea
mean.
about it.
No,
And we don't know that.
currently not.
Okay.
Okay.
I guess Rahul has some, fake information over here. So it
He
was
just
really
wants to
nice
create
I'll
talking
have to
to you
admit
controversy.
it
and
then.
interacting to everyone over here. Especially, I loved the work done by Anshul being, teaching small kids, and Sana, who's a very, very good motivational speaker.
And
Thank
I'm
you. Thank
really
you.
very happy to see that Rohit is also contributing to charity. He has his own NGO in India, and it's really very great.
Thank
Keep
you.
up the good work.
Even Bhavya Bedi, who is currently not present with us, his company is sponsoring many, many kids. So that's really great.
Yes. Yeah.
So thank you everyone for being a part of our show.
Thank you,
Thanks for
everyone. With
viewing it.
this, we end up our meeting for the day.
Thanks for
Thank
having
you,
us.
Hiya and Rahul,
Okay,
for
bye
calling
guys.
us
Thank
here.
you. We really enjoyed a lot today.
Yeah.
नमस्कार। हमारा देश और पूरा विश्व आज कोविड-19 की चुनौती का सामना कर रहा है। कोविड-19 अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है। ऐसे में हमारा फर्ज है कि हम सतर्क रहें। इसलिए जब तक दवाई नहीं तब तक कोई ढिलाई नहीं। कोरोना से बचाव के लिए जरूरी है नियमित रूप से हाथ धोना, मास्क पहनना और आपस में उचित दूरी बनाए रखना। याद रखिए, 2 गज दूरी, मास्क है जरूरी। खांसी, बुखार या सांस लेने में कठिनाई होने पर हेल्पलाइन नंबर 1075 पर संपर्क करें।
お前はもう死んでいる。何？
खत्म। बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया।